Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change windshield wipers on a Hyundai Santa Fe. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the wipers are in the parked position. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth to protect the windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down and off the hook. It should detach with a gentle pull. Hold the wiper arm securely to prevent it from accidentally falling and potentially cracking your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Align the new wiper blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade up until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Make sure they rest flat against the glass. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid. Observe their performance to ensure they clear the glass smoothly and without streaks. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.